TS4, right now we have a Shark Neverchange air purifier max. Plenty things I need to talk about here. Turn back my light. Alright, so this air purifier, as you know, maybe you might see Ginger in some of the videos. We have a cat, very fluffy and furry, so it makes a lot of particles and stuff, cat hair and different things always blowing and sticking everywhere. So we decided to get one to put in the drawing room area. I want to get some smaller ones in the Neverchange for the bedrooms, but to start off with, we will start off with the Shark Neverchange one. I does have a Shark vacuum in the corner there. Not too bad on that one either. Not the best, but it get the job done. This one is the 1,400 square feet model. Decided to go a little bit more larger compared to the smaller ones here, as it will be doing the drawing room area and the kitchen, everything in one. That's kind of separated. So that's supposed to help out with this whole area out here. It does come with the Odor Neutralizer right there, so you could get back some nice fresh air, nice smelling air there. This is the unit here. It does come with 4 layers of filters here. So the Brie, PET, active carbon, and the nano seal HEPA filter. So it does have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 filters to go with it. What else does it say there? It's showing the Clean Sense IQ. So it does have the Smart Detect. According to how much particles and stuff in the air, it will automatically ramp up and ramp off. What else does it have there on the box here? It is showing you how to slide it in, slide it out. It does have a little remote here. I don't know if you could see it on the video there, but it does have a little remote. You'll see that when everything comes out of the package. It's showing you how to adjust the odor neutralizer there to have minimum, medium, and max according to how much smell you want. Nice something I wanted, something to bring back some nice smelling thing back in the air. So we just have things around the house that actually spray stuff out. So hopefully this could remove all of those extra spray things that we have. Dust, hair, lens, everything that collects. On this side, basically the same thing. So they're telling you, but the filter here could last up to 5 years before you change it, and that according to how much particles you have in the air. So it might need to change before, might need to change longer according to how it is and how often you clean the debris filter to help everything work properly. So you need to clean that as much as you could. So you always need to check on it. So let me see if we could get the this open there. What do I have around to open it? So it now came and I decided to make the video one time, and I had that thing to open the packaging here. I do have a screwdriver here because I just cleaned the air conditioning as well as this arrives, so everything will be clean. Clean out all the filters and give the whole air conditioning unit up in the air a good clean out, so that everything will be nice and organized. Let's see if we can turn it upside down and get it out on its head. On its head. Alright, flip it back over. And easy in, easy out. So it does look big and nice. A nice black color one here. I want to try to get it back in frame. Right, so this is the remote I was talking about. Alright, so this is the remote here. Fan speed, look like a timer. See that kind of light button looking something there, so maybe I to take the display on and off auto, so it could automatically do what it need to do, and some kind of eye button there on it. You see here, I don't know if the battery is done in already, but it's kind of halfway out. Doesn't push straight in, I believe it look like. See, does it have any light on it to show that you're pressing the buttons? Nothing there. Look like the tag came out already because it was kind of halfway out. So it looked like the tag came out. Small little startup guide there. You could go through and get to see how to do what is what, take out what is what. I find when they ship these items out and customs and stuff, open your package, things seem to be really in a mess and shake up. Because as you know, I'm not from the US, so when you buy things from out there, how things work. And especially when it comes to warranty, basically you never get any warranty when you're not in the US most of the time, especially when the product not making there. He doesn't have any of these products actually making there, and so it's no warranty basically and nothing. Especially when you order it. So take a look at the back. Just have a little small cover there covering something, maybe the sensor. Maybe the sensor to pick up wherever. Have a little handle here to help hold it. And let's see. The camera tip over a little bit there. Just it back again. Once these cameras and then move, sometimes it like to give some issues. Now it doesn't want to stand up. Alright, see if you could hold it right there. Right, so this is the basic filter, dust filter to clean up. That's the first one there that need majority of the cleaning. All the air and stuff comes in through here, blow through the top. So everything pulls in from there. Let me see if I could just brace this camera a little better. Alright, let's see if I could get that back in. I gotta prop up my leg here. Yeah, for some reason this leg needs to be propped up a little bit and angled. Right, hopefully we get there to stay. Let's see if we could reach the main filter. Okay, that has been normally on this side. Which way is unlock? Unlock is the left. So it was done unlock already. And get out the main filter. This is the main filter. Normally it comes in a plastic, but as I tell you, I don't know how things just begin dig up and shake up and all those stuff. When it's shipped out, things always seems to come different than it's supposed to, but at least the filter looking brand new and not tampered with. So I don't believe you'll have any issue on it there. So lock him. Turn him back over. It is light, it's not that heavy. This is the screen showing you the qualities here. 85 to 100 is good. 70 to 84 is fair. 0 to 96 I believe is poor. And to show you how much particles and stuff we could take down there. The odor neutralizer to the top. As you can see right here. Let's see, could lock it and unlock it. There, lock and unlock. There. And you could take it out. But let's leave it locked in right now. You'll leave that up for full full sweetness. It does have a spare one here. I thought we only had one, but we have two there. Let's see if we could get it plugged in. And do have a cord right here, but power in my lighter as well. So we're supposed to have poor quality air, I believe, maybe inside here. Because of maybe the cat and stuff. So everything is powering on there for the first time. Check out the display. Might regret moving the camera. But we does have some setting there. The eye thing, maybe for information. Timer, brightness, breeze lock. Different stuff here. Let me see if we could. We see what air quality it's saying inside there right now. What? We have good air quality in here. I thought we might have bad air quality, but it seems we have good air quality. Maybe the air conditioning help us purify the place. So everything seems to be nice and easy here right now. So it does have auto. Let me see what we could go to. It's all for auto, so the fan speed 1 to 2, 3, 4, max. What this one does do? So yeah, that one controls the screen. So you can see how bright it is. What this is? I don't know what that one doing. Let's check the manual and stuff. But right now it's saying air quality perfect. So right out I had plenty cat here blowing about. But for now we go leave it at high. Let run the whole place and do its thing and pull whatever needs to pull. I was studying to put it right by the sharp vacuum there, because the vacuum not supposed to be in that spot. It's supposed to be across in the kitchen area. But I think I was using a plug across on that side, and I ended up moving it away from there. So I need to move it back. So I was studying if to put that in that spot, as would be more on that side, or if to put it more on the kitchen side. So in case my wife cooking or anything like that, it could help pull in some of that smoke and stuff. Because we need to buy one of them ventings for over the stove. Yeah, so that's basically it. As you can see here, we are 100%. I thought we'd have bad air, at least fair air, but I mean, we breathing quality air. I'll need run full max, maybe for a few hours, and then after I'll put it back on auto to finish do what I need to do. At the moment, the side saying everything nice. Yeah, so TS4 out.